the first day of May I took to the road. I've been staring out the window most of the morning. I watched the rain claw at the glass, and a vicious wind blew hard and fast. Should have taken it as a warning, as a warning.